Who's that? It's fun. Not really.
No, tell me, it is not. It is not this far. We're already there.
We're almost there.
Aren't you going swimming? Aren't you going in the water?
You're going in the water?
Yep, I'm waiting there. I'm going in the water here. That's what I'm here for.
That's what you're here for?
Yeah, this is what we're going so slow.
Girl, the road is bad. What do you mean?
And as she get there, kind of, oh, I'm cold.
Yeah, and I want to go home.
Exactly.
Yeah, look at her face. I want to go home.
As long as I stay in the water.
You're gonna stay in the water for long?
Yeah.
You're gonna go in the water, Pops?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna float.
And have fun. I'll soon fix it, baby. We're here. She's gonna be afraid of seaweed.
I'm not afraid of swimming. I'm literally gonna go get a ball right there. That's not where the school is. Guys, look right there, cows.
No, that's not cows. It's goat, baby.
Elephants, boy. Elephants.
It's goat, Papa.
I like good.
You like goats? That's
Where you
goat.
get cow from?
This is where we're at. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today we're just on a little we are at the river. So yeah, trying to have a little fun. The kids are so excited. They haven't been to the river in a long while. Ajay, how was it?
That was what?
The river.
Good.
T-Money, where are you? Okay, how was it? Oh,
Okay, but I want to go back.
yeah, okay. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Taji,
She said it was the best day ever.
how was it?
Bad because he didn't even stay in the water long. Exactly.
Too cold.
Too cold. That's some river water stay, boy.
Yes,
River
that's how the river stays.
Even RJ in our water all long. RJ, yeah, auntie. What are you talking about? Babe, me not ask you how was it, cause you in our water all time, you know, come out. was good.
It was good.
It was good.
Sometimes I go back and never left a jar.
Right? Yeah.
You can stay home, no waste my money.
Clean it off
So
good. Yeah, cause he clean off good. Clean off good. You need a new one. Security guard will just pass. I'm sorry over this place. We had a good time. Now we're heading home. What's that? What's that? Some stuff. You see a fly just now. Must have a tree.
you wanna build up a backyard dance. That much money.
We just got back home. I'm starting dinner right away. Babe outside. He's about I think he's about to service the car. So look at this too. Look at this. Look at this. We just got in and look at this. Wait. I'm giving Tea some watermelon. This is one of her favorite fruits, so we got some on the way back. So she's about to have this. Tea. Good morning, y'all. So yesterday when we got in, I had a bunch of stuff to do. I did someone's hair. Obi and I made dinner together, and we just some other little stuff, and we just relaxed for the rest of the day. Now I got up, kids are off to school, dropped off Obi, and now I am here. Okay, this is where I'm at. I have two stuff to pick up, just something to make for dinner for today, and that will be it. I'll be heading back home to get a few more stuff done, so that would be it. And I think this is where I'm going to close off this vlog. The river was good, kids had fun. They didn't want to leave when we were ready, but you know, the place was getting crowded and stuff, so yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting. We have more adventures coming up. Leave your comments in the comment section. Tell us what you guys want to see, vlogs, challenges and stuff. So if you want to see the stuff being done with the kids, with Obi, and